If Node.js is not installing correctly on your computer, or if Node-V is not working, this video will guide you step by step in a simple and clear way. Let's start. Open your browser and type Node.js download, press enter. Click the official website, Node.js.org. Always download from the official website. Do not download from other websites. After the website loads, you will see download options based on your operating system. If you are using Windows, select Windows. If you are using macOS, select macOS. If you are using Linux, select Linux. Most Windows users should choose 64-bit version. Under Windows, click Windows Installer.msi. This is the correct and easiest installer. Wait until the file finishes downloading. After the download is complete, open the .msi file. The setup may take a few seconds to prepare. That is normal. When the setup window opens, click Next. Now you will see the license agreement page. Tick the checkbox to accept the agreement. Without ticking the checkbox, you cannot continue. After ticking it, click Next. Next, you will see the installation location. Leave it as default. Do not change anything. Click Next. In the next screen, you will see Setup options. Do not change anything here, just click Next again. In modern versions of Node.js, it automatically adds Node.js to your system path. In older versions, we had to manually enable Add to Path, but now it is usually already configured. So you do not need to change anything. Click Next again. Now click the Install button. If Windows shows a permission pop-up asking, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes?" Click Yes. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few seconds. When installation is finished, click Finish. Now Node.js is installed, but we must check if it works correctly. Open the Windows search bar. Type cmd open command prompt. Inside command prompt, type Node-V and press Enter. If you see a version number, that means Node.js is installed correctly. Next, type npm-v and press Enter. If you see a version number again, npm is also installed correctly. Remember, npm installs automatically together with Node.js. You do not need to install npm separately. If you see an error like Node is not recognized as an internal or external command, do this. First, close command prompt and open it again. If it still does not work, restart your computer and try again. If it still does not work after restarting, check Environment Variables. Search for Environment Variables. Open. Edit the System Environment Variables. Click Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find Path. Make sure this folder exists inside. Path, see Program Files Node.js. If it is not there, add it manually and click OK. After that, open command prompt again and test Node-V and npm-v. Now, it should work correctly. That's it. This is the correct and complete way to install Node.js on Windows. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Code with Lasa for more simple programming tutorials. If you have any problems, comment below and I will help you. See you in the next video.